Hi, what's up? I hope your day is going swimmingly. Today we're gonna learn something interesting, and I hope that you're interested in learning this grammar concept because some English language learners are confused with these grammar forms, and it can be confusing at times. Let's clear things up in this video and stay tuned until the end. Enjoy learning. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, you can hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Let's talk about a pair of adjectives that end in ed and in ing. I call these cause and effect adjectives because it's talking about how you feel and what makes you feel that way. How you feel is the effect on you, and what makes you feel that way is the cause why you feel that way. Just like in these examples. Mike is already tired with his job. His job is a bit tiring for him. The students were bored because the lesson was boring. Tom is excited to watch his favorite TV show. His favorite TV show is exciting. So imagine when something is tiring, it makes you feel tired. When something is boring, it makes you feel bored. When something is exciting, it makes you feel excited. You see the difference? Adjectives that end in ed are used to talk about how you feel. Are you shocked? Are you frustrated? Are you surprised? Are you excited? And adjectives that end in ing are used to talk about what makes you feel that way. What is that event or thing that makes you feel that way? Is that thing exciting? Is it exhausting? Is it surprising? Is it shocking? So I have my friends Mike, Annie, Tom, and Emma to show us some more examples on how they feel and what makes them feel that way. Mike was annoyed about his neighbor's dog. How did Mike feel? He was annoyed. And what makes him annoyed? It's his neighbor's dog, because his neighbor's dog is annoying. Annie was amazed with her friend playing the piano. Her friend is amazing. The students were bored because the lesson was boring. Tom was confused with her answers. Her answers were confusing. Annie is depressed right now because her business is depressing. Tom is excited to watch his favorite TV show. His favorite TV show is exciting. They are already exhausted working overtime. Their job is pretty exhausting as they work overtime. They were fascinated by their mom's story. Their mom's story is fascinating. Emma was frustrated when she didn't get the job because the interview was frustrating. Annie feels relaxed on her vacation at the beach. The beach is relaxing for her. Annie felt satisfied with the product she bought online. The product she bought was satisfying. Annie was shocked with her exam results. Her exam results were shocking. Annie was surprised by her sister. The gift was surprising. Emma was terrified with the burglar. The burglar was terrifying. Mike is already tired with his job. His job is a bit tiring for him. Alright, so I hope that everything is clear to you now. And my advice is write down, take down notes of these grammar concepts. Write relevant examples that will make you remember them. And practice them in spoken English if you have chances. Practice them in written English as well. You can even make your sample sentences on the comments section. I would love to see them. I hope this video is helpful for you, so please hit thumbs up, share this video with your friends who want to learn English, and please subscribe to my channel so you can learn when and how to use your English. Let's catch up soon!